Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add and remove SD card from Cobra SC400. And to do this, we'll need to look on the right on the camera. Right here we have a SD card slot. Now take the SD card and place it like that. Use your fingernail to place it in. You will hear the click, and that means the card is inserted. In case you want to remove it, you will need to use something thin or your fingernail to push it into that SD card. It will pop open, and now it's removed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.